Welcome to Nasaff Academy. In this course preview, we introduce SAP IS-U IUT-220 Device Management. This course explains the complete device lifecycle in SAP IS-U, from the basic concepts to practical business processes. You will first learn what SAP IS-U Device Management is, who uses it, and how it fits into standard SAP utilities. Then, we look at device technology, device categories, materials, equipment, and the customizing settings behind them. Next, we cover inventory management, including procurement, warehouse structure, goods receipt, goods issue, and stock transfers. You will also learn how installations work, including device locations, utility installations, device allocations, and register relationships. After that, we move into meter reading orders, result entry, validation, correction, estimation, and reversal. Finally, we cover device inspection and certification, including certification types, sampling procedures, replacement lists, and work orders. This course gives you a structured overview of the key objects and processes behind SAP IS-U Device Management. To access the complete training, contact us at academy@nasaff.com or info@nasaff.com. Nasaff Academy, professional SAP utilities training for real project work.